Hi there and welcome back to this video. In this video, I want to show you how you can use the ConvertKit sequence function, which is pretty cool. So maybe, for example, someone has opted into your form that we have just created, and now you want to send them automatic email sequences. So a sequence is 1 to X emails that will be sent automatically to that subscriber. So maybe, for example, a welcome sequence. So when someone subscribes and opts to your form, an email is triggered automatically without you having to lift one finger to welcome that subscriber and tell you a little bit more about you and your story and what your blog is all about. And maybe a day later, they receive an email of your top posts on your blog. And maybe a week later, they receive some information about a course that you have on your blog or a product that you're selling. Now, this is all sent automatically to your subscribers, which is pretty awesome. So in this feature, the sequence function of ConvertKit, we can create that really easy. Here I've just created a couple of sequences just to show you how they could look like. We can create sequences here and just press the create sequence function. And it brings you to this form where we can set a name. So maybe let's call this BB course test sequence. And now it's called BB sequence. So as you can see, we have started here with our first email. And you can see that they have put in some text for us. Now here will be the text of your email. So maybe that will be your welcome email. So maybe welcome to the Bloggy Badass course. So here you would give them a little bit more information on what the course is about, or maybe what your blog is about. And here you can see that's the email subject line, which they will see in their inbox. Now you can set this to draft or published. You can edit here when exactly you want to send the email to this person once he or she has entered your email list. So here this is set as a default for 1 day. But maybe you want to set this immediately, like for example, right away. So you can set this to 0. Which will change this to immediately. So once someone has opted in, they just immediately get this email of who you are and welcoming them to your blog. Now here you can also decide when you want to send them the email. So maybe if someone opts in on a Saturday or a Sunday, you don't want to send them the email on a weekend, then you can just tick the box off, and so the new subscriber will receive the email on a Monday. So maybe you have this email set up, you've changed your text and welcomed your new subscriber. You want to add another email and you just press the add email. Now here, maybe this is the day 1 email. So maybe a day later, you send them an email about your best blog posts on your blog. So maybe we call this 3 amazing blog posts you have to check out now. And you can see that this is set as day 1. This means that it will be sent 1 day after the previous email was sent. So 1 day after they have received your welcome email, they're now receiving your email about your XYZ 3 amazing blog posts. Again, you can change the text here to whatever you want. You can include links to the specific blog post. You can even attach a file. You can use HTML code to make your email really pop, and you can just personalize it however you like. Now you can also change this. Maybe you want to send this email after 2 days after they receive the welcome email. So just change it here. And maybe you want to send an additional 3rd email, maybe telling them about amazing courses you have going on your blog, or amazing products you have on your blog. So this will be sent maybe 1 day or maybe 5 days after the last previous email. And here you just edit the 5. You can see it's 5 days. You edit and include your course description, your product description. Maybe you have special offers you could include here as well. And as you can see, you could really add like 10 or 15 emails if you want to. But for example, for a welcome series, I would just include like 3 or 4 emails to welcome really these subscribers. Now you can create several different sequences. You can save this all. It's still in draft mode. You can see it successfully saved this. And now you can go back to your sequences. Now this is the BB sequence that we've just created. But maybe someone has downloaded your freebie in a form. Now you could funnel all those freebie people as well into your BB welcome series. Or after, for example, you have finished, so someone has run through those 3 emails of this sequence from your welcome series, you could funnel all of those people. So after they have received those 3 emails, you could funnel them into your BB launch sequence. So maybe you have created a course and you want to sell this course to your subscribers. You can add all of those subscribers who have run through those emails to this sequence. Maybe this sequence has 7 emails selling your course to your subscribers. Now we will talk about this in automations. Now this will all be done in automation. It's such a cool feature that I wanted to mention it right away for you guys. So I really hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.